Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a directory app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, you can easily build a directory app in Glide. Start by navigating to the left menu and clicking on the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where you can view your existing templates. To access the template store, click on the Template Store option, which will direct you to the templates library. In the templates library, you can browse templates organized into different categories from the left menu. If you have a specific template in mind, you can also use the search bar to find it. For a directory app, search for the keyword directory in the search bar. Once the search results appear, you have different directory templates. You can choose any of these templates. For this tutorial, click on the Employee Directory template. On the next page, you will see two options: Create this app and Preview. Click on the Create this app button to proceed. You will be taken to the editor where you can customize the template to fit your needs. The top bar of the editor consists of three options: Data, Layout, and Action. In the Data section, you can customize the data of the app template. In the Layout section, you can modify the app's layout, including navigation and product settings. You can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop mode. The Actions section allows you to add custom workflows by combining multiple steps. After customizing the app to your satisfaction, click on the Publish button at the editor's top right corner to publish your app. Once the app is published, you will see a Share button at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on it will provide you with various options to share your app, such as QR code, link sharing, and inviting users through email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments as best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.